Trucks of Freedom. Round one. Welcome to the channel if you're new, welcome back if you're not, I guess. So, I bought a couple Trucks of Freedom, and now we are going to open this one today. It's a little smaller box than one of the other ones, but I think it might be bigger than the other one. I don't know. It's another box. We're just going to open it and see what happens. I got two package number 2s and a package number 1, so I'm not sure exactly what I'm opening because I don't think they put it on there. So, let's find out. Here we go. Oh boy. Alright. As usual, I wait till I make a video to open things, and when I do, I show you first. So, you tell me if I'm going to be excited. The truck will end up first. This is the box upside down because my actual address is on the other side, and I don't want you to see it and know where I live. So, let's find out what I got. I know it's going to be a kit of some sort. If it was a Pro, that would be super sick. Oh, there's things. I won't look at that yet. We'll just go that way. Oh, there's other stuff. That's a Wheels of Fortune. I know what that is. I've seen those on Facebook. Come on out of there. Oh, there's more stuff. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, no, look at that.
I won't.
Okay. Alright. Eat. Alright. I got... Damn, that thing's heavy. I don't remember these things being that heavy. Phoenix Portal Kit. Along with that, I got... Ooh, nice. I got some aluminum F10 housings. And, what else is in there? Something else is in there. I can't tell what it is. Where's my knife? Oh, there it is. Can't tell what else is in this thing. Let's see here. Alright. Ooh, I got stuff in here. Ooh, I got an LED set and a servo arm. Sick. There we go. Alright. That. Okay, so first up we have the front axle housing. In all honesty, I will probably put it on that truck there because that is basically my main go-to truck. So that's pretty cool. And then I got the rear as well. Super cool. I got a 25 tooth 20 millimeter servo arm. Very nice. The Incision light kit. Super cool. I don't have a Phoenix anymore with an actual body, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe we'll figure something out and put it in something else. I'm not sure. And then obviously I got my Trucks of Freedom card. Super cool. These are super thin, but they're so sick. Oh, okay, cool. Alright, I will put that over there. And then, so obviously I got my Phoenix Portal. I don't need this right now, but since it's technically mine, well, I could sell it. I don't know. Technically, I got the business and jazz. I'm not sure. I'm not going to open that right now because if you haven't seen a Phoenix Portal kit, I don't really know what to tell you. So, along with the axle housings and the servo arm, I got a Wheels of Fortune. I've had some interesting luck with Wheels of Fortune, so let's see what we got. Alright. As usual, here you go. Oh, my little producer over here sees something cool. She's got the blue face. Alright, so let's not do that. I'm looking away here. What do we have? Oh, we got red rings. Very nice. Are they all empty? Okay, I just look like an idiot. Red IFRs. Clear scarns. Got a bunch of those. Super sick. I don't think I have clear scarns. Oh, 475 hubs because you can never have enough 475 hubs. Let's see. What is this? Red. I'm gonna guess these are blue. Yup. Ooh, 105s in blue. I'm not a huge fan of 105s. I do love that blue color, but I just don't get down with 105s. I knew with the red and the clear that that's what color those wheels were going to be, so regardless of that, we can do that. Not bad. In all honesty, that's a hell of a lot of value. That's 140, that's like 130, right? 140 These things, I don't remember how much light kits are. They're like 65 bucks, I think, something like that. 54. This is 20. This is a whole, like, this is a really good deal. The Phoenix Portal, everything. I am super, super happy with that. It's awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, super rad. Got lots of cool stuff. I believe that was a package number 2. So, that wraps up round 1. Check me out on Facebook and Instagram, Facebook groups, Bullman Built RC, across the board. And if you can, check me out Monday nights at 7-ish, something like that, on, whatever. Join my group. I'll put a thing in there. It's 7 o'clock Indiana time, whatever time that is. Anywho, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you later. Bye!